Something strange is happening in the drone world right now. Before DJI has even confirmed the Mini 6 Pro, the conversations around it are already louder than some real launches. Bigger sensors, smarter AI, insane flight time rumors, and new competitors entering the market. Suddenly, the next mini drone feels far more important than expected. The interesting thing about the DJI Mini 6 Pro rumors is that they're no longer just random wishlist specs from YouTube comments. Over the past few months, discussions across drone communities, Reddit threads, and leak-focused sites have started converging around a very specific direction. DJI may be trying to push the Mini series closer to Air series performance without losing the sub-250-gram advantage. Right now, the Mini lineup already sits in a strange position. The Mini 5 Pro brought features that once belonged to much larger drones: a 1-inch sensor, advanced obstacle sensing, strong low-light capability, and near-professional level stabilization. So the question surrounding the Mini 6 Pro is no longer, will it improve? But rather how far DJI can realistically go before physics pushes back. One of the most repeated rumors points toward a refined imaging system capable of 5.1K at 60 frames per second video, backed by enhanced image processing, often referred to in discussions as Cinecore 4.0. There's also ongoing speculation around a variable aperture system, something creators have wanted for years, because it would offer much better control over exposure and cinematic motion blur in changing lighting conditions. Battery discussions are equally aggressive. Some leaks claim 45 to 60 minutes of flight time, though even optimistic enthusiasts admit the upper end sounds unrealistic under strict 249 grams limits. More believable expectations place it around the 40-minute range through smarter efficiency and lighter materials rather than giant batteries. Carbon fiber reinforced structures are also frequently mentioned as a possible way DJI could improve rigidity and wind resistance without increasing weight. But what makes this generation more interesting is the competition emerging around it. DJI's newly launched Lido X1 is already creating discussions because it delivers surprisingly strong specs for a lower price, including a 1.3-inch sensor, omnidirectional sensing, LiDAR assistance, and 4K at 60 frames per second recording. Some creators now wonder if DJI is splitting its lineup into beginner-friendly Lido drones and more serious Mini Pro cinematic tools. Community discussions are also becoming more skeptical. Many pilots argue that some Mini 6 Pro leaks are clearly AI-generated hype videos, rather than credible insider information. Others believe DJI's next real innovation won't come from resolution numbers, but from smarter AI tracking, stronger obstacle prediction, and better low-light computational photography. Thanks for watching. At this point, the Mini 6 Pro feels less like a rumor and more like an inevitable next step for DJI. But what would actually convince you to upgrade? Better camera quality, longer flight time, or smarter AI flying features? Drop your expectations in the comments.